Hawaii is home to an incredibly diverse and colorful array of marine life. Snorkeling provides a unique opportunity to witness tropical fish, vibrant coral reefs, and fascinating underwater ecosystems up close. Whether you're a novice snorkeler or a seasoned underwater adventurer, understanding the rich tapestry of marine life that graces Hawaii's coral reefs adds a whole new dimension to your vacation experience. So let's dive in and uncover the secrets of the 10 most common fish seen while snorkeling in Hawaii. One of the most common fish you will see while snorkeling in Hawaii is the saddle wrasse. This colorful fish features a blue head and green body separated by an orange saddle. The saddle wrasse is endemic to Hawaii, so not only are they native to Hawaiian waters, they can't be found anywhere else. Saddle wrasse are carnivores and opportunistic feeders. Their diet primarily consists of small invertebrates, crustaceans, and various small fish. Saddle wrasse, like most wrasse species, are protogynous hermaphrodites, which means they start their lives as females and can later change into males. Saddle wrasse with a white bar behind the orange saddle are terminal phase males. These are females that have changed sex and grown large enough to dominate a territory. Terminal phase males typically maintain a harem of females to breed with and will chase other males out of their territory. The Moorish Idol is a strikingly beautiful and distinctive fish that can captivate the attention of snorkelers. The Moorish Idol is easily recognizable by its vibrant, alternating bands of black, white, and yellow, and its unique body shape that features a long dorsal fin that extends into a trailing filament. The Hawaiian name, kihi kihi, meaning zigzag, may refer to its shape as well as color pattern. The omnivorous Moorish Idol feeds on sponges, tunicates, small invertebrates, and algae. Their elongated jaw allows them to extract prey from crevices. Fans of Pixar's Finding Nemo will remember the character Gil was a Moorish Idol.
All drains lead to the ocean, kid.
Wow.
Another fish seen in abundance in Hawaii is the Convict Tang. Its appearance is striking with bold, vertical black stripes against a yellow or white body. While similar in appearance to the Sergeant Major, the first stripe of the Convict Tang passes through the eye at an oblique angle. Like most surgeon fishes, Convict Tangs have sharp blades on either side of the tail, but the blades are quite small and not typically used for defense. Instead, Convict Tangs rely on their disruptive color pattern and traveling in large schools as means of protection from predators. Convict Tangs are herbivores and feed primarily on algae, contributing significantly to reef ecosystem health by controlling algae growth. The Sergeant Major is a damselfish that is white with a yellow top and 5 black vertical stripes. Its name is derived from the black stripes that are reminiscent of a military insignia. The scientific name, Abudefduf saxatilis, roughly translates to father living among rocks and is likely a reference to their aggressive behavior while guarding eggs. When threatened, Sergeant Majors can produce drumming sounds by grinding their teeth, which might intimidate potential predators. They can camouflage themselves by changing their color intensity, becoming lighter or darker to blend into their surroundings. As the name suggests, the Wedgetail Triggerfish has a distinct wedge-shaped pattern at its tail. Wedgetail Triggerfish, the official state fish of Hawaii, is known locally as the Humuhumunuku Apui'a, which is Hawaiian for triggerfish with a snout that is blunt and pig-like. The humuhumu's blunt snout is actually its mouth, which features a powerful jaw and teeth capable of crushing hard-shelled prey like crustaceans, mollusks, and sea urchins. They also feed on small fish and algae. The triggerfish gets its common name from the 3 spines on their front dorsal fin. These spines can be locked into an erect position for use as predator defense and as an anchoring device. When threatened, the triggerfish will dive into a tight crevice, wedging itself tightly and anchoring into place by erecting and locking the first spine. When the second spine is depressed, it acts as a trigger, unlocking the first spine. The spotted boxfish is easily recognizable due to its box-shaped body covered in hexagonal plate-like scales. Males are blackish on the back with white spots and have bluish sides with bright yellowish bands and spots. Females are dark brown to blackish with white spots. The striking coloration serves as a toxicity warning to potential predators. Spotted boxfish secrete a highly toxic substance when under stress. Spotted boxfish are slow but agile swimmers. They are omnivorous and graze on algae and small invertebrates found on coral reefs. They are generally solitary fish, although they may be observed in pairs during mating. The blue-spotted cornetfish has a long, slender body that can grow quite long, reaching up to 6 feet in length. Its body is tinted blue-gray to greenish-gray with 2 thin blue lines of dots on the back. Its body pattern changes to a broad banded pattern at night. The blue-spotted cornetfish has a long filament lined with sensory pores that projects from its caudal fin. It's speculated that the filament may serve as a long-range sensory system for detecting prey. Blue-spotted cornetfish are carnivorous and feed primarily on small fish and crustaceans. They hunt by hovering vertically in the water column, camouflaging themselves among seagrass or branching corals, waiting for unsuspecting prey to swim by. When a prey fish gets close enough, the cornetfish will rapidly propel forward with a snake-like strike while sucking the prey into their mouth. As the name suggests, Yellowstripe goatfish are recognized by a prominent yellow stripe running horizontally along their body. They often have a dark square-shaped spot below the first dorsal fin. Their body and fin coloration varies, ranging from shades of pink, red, or orange to silver. In order to keep itself safe at night, it is able to camouflage and blend into the color of its surroundings. They often swim in groups or small schools. They hunt for prey by sifting through the sand with whisker-like appendages near their mouths called barbels in search of small invertebrates, crustaceans, and other prey hiding below the surface. Yellowstripe goatfish are commonly fished by Hawaiians to be used as food and bait, but care should be taken to not eat the head or guts because they contain toxins that can cause hallucinations. With its distinct large eyes, it's not hard to figure out how the Bigeye scad got its common name. The Bigeye scad is a pelagic species, meaning it spends most of its life in the open ocean rather than near the ocean floor. Primarily carnivorous, the Bigeye scad feeds on a variety of small marine organisms such as plankton, small fish, and crustaceans. They play an important role in the marine ecosystem by serving as prey for larger predatory fish and marine mammals. The Fourspot Butterflyfish has an oval, yellow, and black body with 4 round eye-shaped spots, 2 on each side. They are frequently seen in pairs and often form long-term monogamous partners to mate with, which is uncommon in fish. Fourspot butterflyfish feed from corals by removing individual coral polyps while leaving the calcareous skeleton undisturbed. Their mouths have evolved to allow them to grip polyps with just the tips of their jaws. Since fourspot butterflyfish are highly dependent on hard corals as their primary food source, they are an indicator of general reef health. Their relative abundance is contingent on coral reef abundance. With recent global changes in climate, especially the rise in water temperatures and mass coral bleaching, fourspot butterflyfish have experienced a decrease in food resources, which may have resulted in decreased growth and reproduction rates for the species. Snorkeling in Hawaii offers an unparalleled opportunity to explore a vibrant underwater world. From the graceful Moorish Idol to the vibrant fourspot butterflyfish, each species we've highlighted is a testament to the rich biodiversity of Hawaii's marine ecosystems. We hope you have learned something about these amazing fish and will join us in protecting their fragile habitat. If you would like to learn more about snorkeling in Hawaii, check out some of the other videos on this channel.